Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G100, and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this device. First of all, go into settings. Now choose display, click on styles over here and tap on one of those themes, like that one. Then choose apply, and as you can see, theme of my Motorola has changed. But you can also go back into the same settings, but this time select this plus icon. Remember to choose next after each step. Over here you can select font style, color of icons in your tab menu, shape of your icons, and even layout. Then name your theme however you wish to, and tap on done. Finally, select apply, and as you can see, theme of my device was changed again, but this time to the customized one. If you wish to go back into the default one or delete one of your themes, go into the same style settings, pick one of your themes. I want to get rid of green one, click on this plus icon, on this pen icon at the top right corner, and this bin one. Now select delete in this pop-up, and to go back into the default theme, tap on Moto 1 and choose apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!